Hi, I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts. Today we're going to talk about how to install a metric thread. If you come to the conclusion that the threads you have are no longer adequate or have stripped out, you're going to need to install new threads. This device here, a tap, will go into this hole and create new threads. As I turn this tap into the hole, it feeds itself deeper and deeper into the metal and cuts new threads. So I have my hole. I know it's the proper size. So I'm going to start my threads. I'm going to install the device into the hole and gently turn it and push down at the same time. As I'm turning, I'm putting steady downward pressure and I'm waiting for the tool to grab hold of the metal. Once it does, it'll get more difficult to turn. Once the tool starts to pull itself into the hole, I no longer need to apply the downward pressure and the tool will pull itself into the hole. I'm going to use steady pressure. And it's good to use the T-handle so that I can put equal pressure on both sides of the tool. If I pull the handle out this way and push, you see it puts pressure only on one side of the tool, and that won't make good threads. It's best to use the T-handle and put steady pressure on the tool and let the tool feed itself into the hole. It'll do its own work. It should feel nice and smooth. If it starts to bind, where you can't turn it easily, you should back up, clean the threads, and then move forward once again. This device here works well. It has a ratchet, so I can go backwards and push the tool in using steady pressure. The key to making nice threads is steady pressure equal on both sides of the device. I'm going to work right through the bottom. It starts to get much easier as I make it all the way through the hole. I want to turn the tap all the way into the hole so that I get the proper threads, the proper size. I'm going to back it out. Along with the tool will come some of the debris or metal that I've cut away. As you're backing this tool out, also be careful to still use that same equal pressure on both sides. We don't want to cut any more threads, especially just as it comes out of the hole. This is the most critical point. So we're going to put steady upward pressure, spin the tool, and it should pop right out of the top of the hole. As you can see, the metal that we cut is still partially attached to the tool. And that's how to insert metric threads. I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts.